Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. In this video, we will be talking about ticker symbol SPCE, which is Virgin Galactic Holdings. So in this video, I'll be talking about the price movement, how the price went up, why it came down, and why it will go up again. And is there any possibility for massive short squeeze that we have seen for some other stock like GME, BBBY, SFIX, and many more, right? So we know like short squeeze is happening in few recent days, right? So I think there is a huge potential for this particular stock, and that is why I'm making this video, so that you know like what I'm expecting, and at the same time using this information can we all gain money. So stay tuned and watch till the very end. And if you find this video is useful to you, please don't forget to hit the juicy like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. So I'm looking at a daily chart for this stock, and you can see that like back in March, I think it was IPO, like it came down from 43, then there was a recovery period, not a recovery, it tried, then it came back, and then in December like it started going up again. So let's zoom what happened this area, because I'm interested more in this particular area. So the stock was going high, and there's supposed to be a test flight, and you see there is a sudden drop in price, I think around 14th of December. And if I look at the news, like in December 2020, it says the Virgin Galactic cuts short space flight attempt after engine abort, pilot safely returned to land. So that test flight was not successful. So if it was a successful, then it could explode, but anyway it came back. So after that, like it came down and it is making a U-shaped recovery. You can see that. Then again, last few days before, you see there is a big jump in share price. So it was a U-shaped recovery anyway, then there was a big jump in share price. And why? Because like ARK ETF, we all know ARK ETF, Cathode. So they decided to start another ARK ETF on space. So this will be a space ETF, and after that particular news, like all ETF space related stock, they all shoot up. So I'm not going through the news, but we all know about ARK, how they did in last year, like we know like the growth and everything. So whenever ARK will start buying the space stocks, and they will definitely go for SPCE, so this will drag the price higher and higher. So after that, the stock price, you see the gap up, it went up, but the good thing is it did not come back. So still there is a gap, but there was not a gap fill. So you can see still the stock price is going up. So currently we are sitting here, and what we can expect. So let's look at some other things. So I'm looking at short interest, because I love short squeeze. So you can see that for this stock, the short percent of float is 81.53. So we know what happened to GME, we know what is happening with BBY. So we know about how like 81% short float can matter to increase the share price and make it parabolic move. You can also see the short interest, and you can see that the short interest increased from 40 million, it became 43 million. There is another website normally I look at to rank different stocks. So you can see GME, and that after that we have SPCE, and then we have BBBY. Anyway, I'm going to make another video on AMC. You see like 68.9%. We also looked at some run on fees and FUBO, and there are more, right? So what the short squeeze or the short interest, short float can affect the stock. So I'm just looking at Friday, yesterday's chart. So you can see that the stock price, like massive run, like not massive, but you can see how it can go fast, like from 32.4 to like 33.8, came down, and end of the day again like it ran up, came down, and then like it's trying to break and it's trying to go up. And I think aftermarket we are still positive. So you see that if there is a short squeeze happening with some good news, then this thing can go parabolic. And why the stock price was rising Friday? Because on Virgin Galactic, like they had some news that their mothership VMS, so that will they will be doing test flight, I think on a simulator thing. But so the news was there, and I think the update is it has landed safely back at Spaceport America, New Mexico. So that was a success. So it might bring the stock price higher, this coming Monday. So keep an eye. I already started a position with SPCE end of the day, so I'm expecting the price will go higher. So now let's go back to the stock price and what we can expect. So first of all, just want to draw a trend line so that I can show you how the stock is moving. So I'm going to draw this because I'm just showing you the bottoms, right? So the bottom wick on a daily candle. Also draw some support and resistance for this particular stock. So I'm gonna zoom a little bit. So first of all, I think one should be here. The top, you can see 2 bars here. Then the other one, I think it's around here. So the lower part of the body of that candle, the upper wick here, and also like the bottom of here. So that's a good one. Then let's come back to here. So you see touching here, 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 and also here. So these are all good support. And as always, like I like to put on the top bar, which is 35.75, and maybe the max, which is like 38. Maybe let's make it more conservative, $37, $36. Anyway, so look at the lines, look at these lines. So currently we are sitting here, but maybe tomorrow Monday we can go up from 34, we can go up to 35, maybe 37. I'm not very worried about 35, but this thing can move high. But you can see like whenever we will break this kind of resistance, and I think the all-time high, not all-time, but maybe if we can break $37, then this stock can move parabolic. So there is a chance of like big squeeze, and keep an eye with the good news. If I move to a 5-minute chart, I want to show you how the stock behaved yesterday, right? Okay, so again on a 5-minute chart also you can see how the stock is maintaining that black line, so how it is going up. So it might get rejected, then it can come back down, maybe it can come up to 33, or maybe in the black line, then it can bounce back. So keep an eye. If it comes back, you can start your position definitely. One other line I want to show you, because yesterday I find this line is also important. So the stock ran up in the morning. Where is yesterday? Yeah, so you see like so let's move. Yeah, so yesterday morning, like it came here 23.54, something like that, came down, then we went up, then end of the day on Friday, like it became a support, then we bounced back from these lines. So keep an note of these particular lines. Maybe you can take a screenshot and you can see the black line. So then you will get an idea about this support and resistance and how we want to play with this stock. If you're interested playing with option, then let's move to the bar chart. I like this website. It shows you the premium, delta, gamma, strike price, and IV. So first of all, if you are playing with next week expiry, this is very risky, and you can see the IV is very high, like 84%. And if you believe, like if you take a strike price of 34, the premium is like 1.7. So by 29th, the stock price has to be 35.7 in order you to give you some profit. If it pops Monday morning, maybe 174 can become 250. You can get a quick profit of $100. But anyway, for my case, I chose a little bit far. I went February 19th, and I took that strike price, 34 strike price, and I bought around 360. So if I see a pop, if it goes to 450 or if it goes to 500, I will just get out, because if you see at the IV, 98%, 100% is a lot, right? So even though the stock price is not moving, you will lose money. So I do not recommend playing with option, but again, option, we know it gives you high profit, which comes with high risk. If you want, you can start a position, because in the long run, if all the test flights are okay and everything, and I heard that in next 2 to 3 months they will have their next test flight. If it is successful and then their CEO will fly, then the stock can go up to 60, 70, who knows, maybe 100 at one time. So in long run, definitely it's a good stock. If you can buy the stock for a quick profit, and if you want, you can just hold. But anyway, I see a good future for long term, definitely, and also like with a quick breakout, we can get some quick money this coming week. So this is it for today. If you think the video is useful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this particular video and make your comments, and let's chat. And have a wonderful weekend, my friends. Take care. Peace.